Welcome back to the channel, STEAM Agriculturist TV. I want to ask some few questions. Farmers, I really want you to think of what we are actually doing as farmers, because there is a lot of things going on now in our present day time that they call innovative agriculture. To me, there is a lot of hidden truth in that word, innovative. Innovative is not what you think it is. Innovation in agriculture is not what actually they are teaching us. The modern day innovation that they are teaching us is not what it's supposed to be. Innovation in agriculture should be like this: an agricultural practice that limits an external interference in what we do as farmers. That is what we should call innovation. An agricultural practice whereby you buy little things and they teach you how to produce other inputs you need, because as a farmer, primarily we are a producer. But what they call innovation this day is a fraud. Now let me ask you farmers this question: what is innovative about buying chemical fertilizer? You buy your chemical fertilizer, you buy your seed and determine it to be hybrid seeds. Those hybrid seeds you buy are inorganic seeds. They were manufactured and produced in the lab. There is a lot of chemical composition during the modification of that seed. One, that seed is not 100% a live seed. What we call live seed are seeds that are in their original form. But these guys that tries to teach you the fraud innovation, they will tell you that seeds in its original state cannot be eaten the way it is being produced by God. What is innovation? What is innovative about buying your seed, buying your pesticide, you buy your fungicide, you buy your fertilizer, everything you put together to produce your food crop, you buy them. That is not innovation. Now this third party are the ones to determine your cost of production, because most farmers cannot even afford to buy directly from the producers of these chemicals. They buy from a third party, and they turn around to tell you that their system of farming mitigates. They try to use their system of farming to mitigate climate change. That is a lie. Ask them, the fertilizer you use to produce your crops, your food crops, how do you discharge them? When you apply fertilizer to the soil, it destroys the microbes. The microorganisms are being destroyed in the soil. When it's being washed off by running water, it goes to the aquatic world, into the running streams, and it destroys the aquatic animals. Amphibians, it alters their DNA. When it's been sink down into the underground water, like those people that has borehole that is not well, that is not synced well, that is not deep, it contaminates their water. When they drink, they start having all manner of health issues. When you destroy the microbes in the soil, it's prone to have erosion. So what in particular are you trying to mitigate in climate change, where all the activities of these innovators destroy the climate, destroys the ecosystem? So instead, farmers begin to ask intelligent questions like, how many liters of diesel do we burn to produce a kg of inorganic fertilizer? You burn 2 to 3 liters of diesel to produce just 1 kg of inorganic fertilizer. You can see the length, the level at which they duplicate the natural resources, the level at which they they blast carbon into the air. And tomorrow you come to say you're mitigating climate change. You're trying to control climate change. So we farmers need to step up and start asking intelligent questions. Innovation should be teaching you how to produce your organic fertilizers, how to go into aquaponics, use one produce, recycle your waste, integrated waste management, how to use your BSF fly larva to grow your fish, use the fish water to grow your vegetables, use that same fish water to grow some wheat like duckweed, azolla, water hyacinth, convert those things into animal feed, use it to feed your animals like your cattle, still use your cattle waste to do your biogas. This is diversity. They will not teach you this. They will only teach you the kind of chemicals you mix to kill, to destroy the ecosystem. There are some pesticides you apply in your field. 6 months, you will not see any weed grow there. So what happens when there's a heavy downfall? Those grasses you call weeds helps to reduce the flow of water, and it helps to control erosion. So farmers need to start asking intelligent questions. It hurts me. It hurts me a lot to see young students in agriculture being misled by those who tends to teach innovative agriculture, all for personal, economic, selfish interest. It hurts me. If you're a farmer, start asking intelligent questions. As a farmer, you're a primary producer. Why then bring things that makes you no longer a primary producer? And at the end of the day, those things you buy affect the cost of your production. Why do I need to buy fertilizer when I have manures? Your fish water has more than enough nitrogen. There is no inorganic fertilizer as rich in nitrogen like your fish water. Should we talk of your rabbit urine or the rabbit poo? There is a lot we have as a free gift of nature. Ask question today. You are a farmer. Do not allow anybody mislead you into innovative agriculture. I'm not kicking against using of AI machineries to farm, but I'm kicking against living agriculture as a primary producer the way it's supposed to be. Agriculturists are tents. We are nature. We nurture nature. We give care. We're caregivers to nature, not to destroy the nature. They produce pesticide and fertilizer and GMO seed and hybrid seed. Hybrid seed and GMO seed are the same. Their process of modification is same. Just that GMO is bringing genes from two different organisms, maybe from an animal and a plant, and you match them together. Why hybridization is you bring the same organism of different varieties, you match them. Why GMO is bringing different organisms to merge. There is a chemical process, because when you shoot the gene, you're not sure, so you need to bring some chemicals to perfect it. In that process, there are what they call chemical deposition. So farmers have to wake up, ask questions. Don't just be a sit and look farmer. Don't be a lazy farmer. Go into research. You hear of things like cancer, high blood pressure in underage children, brain tumor, all manner of sickness and disease. It is caused. 80% is being caused by what we eat. It's being introduced into our system, into our agricultural sector by those who call themselves innovative farmers. Hear me and hear me clearly. Hydroponics is a chemical farming. There is no single thing good being produced as a food by hydroponics farmer. If you are a hydroponic farmer, hear me and hear me clearly. All you produce is chemical, zero nutritional value in terms of richness of food. Hydroponics food is total rubbish. is a combination of chemicals. Yes. Please share this video. Let's create awareness. I am Rista Farms. God bless you.